Welcome to Tips for Clips. Many of my customers and viewers have been asking how exactly to take care of these clippers that we sell. And here I'm going to demonstrate how to keep them running well and in good shape for a long time. So here are the Tips for Clips clippers. Comes with an instruction manual. Comes with a bonus comb, bonus scissors. These are really nice and come in handy. They come with 6 different guards, and these are the guards that I think are most important. So I had them custom made in this way. In this packet are number 1, which is 3 millimeters, number 2, which is 6 millimeters, number 3, 10 millimeters, number 4, 13 millimeters, and 2 more. I won't open them here, but a number 6 and a number 8. The number 6 reads, can't quite see it from here, but the number 8 is 25 millimeters. I believe the number 6 is 20 millimeters. So the higher the number on this, the longer your hair will end up. Here are the clippers themselves. I'm going to show you how to take care of these clippers. They come with a guard here. You can pop it right off. So you turn it on. Here's an indicator light. This means that there are 99 minutes left. These are cordless, battery powered. They are stainless steel all throughout. Here's a lever with different notches. This is shorter and this is longer. And you see it's sort of graded here. They have notches that you can click to, and this gives you more control over exactly where you put it instead of guessing where the lever is. Again, this is long and this is short. Also known as closed, and here opened. So to take care of them after a haircut, you can get some Barber side spray, and you would spray that right across the blades and any place that the blades touched the scalp. And you can also use this brush that comes with it to take out any stray hairs. You do not need to unscrew these to clean, maybe once a year or so if it gets really jammed in there, but I recommend after each haircut just getting any loose hairs outside of that. It also comes here with a charger, and you can choose to plug it in while you're cutting as well, but you have extra convenience here with cordless. I think the main thing that is usually asked is how to oil the clippers. This oil doesn't come with the clippers, but it's probably about, for about 10 times the size of this little bottle, is probably like $3. So very inexpensive, and a little bottle like this I think would lasts me like a year or so, or more. So all you would do is so you want to reduce the friction is the idea. Reduce the friction between the blades so that you don't wear out the blades. So a drop on the side here, a drop in the middle, and a drop on the other side here, wherever you feel that the blades rub against each other to reduce the friction. Then you turn it on to let the oil sit in there a little bit, and then you wipe it down with a cloth. So that you want to do, you don't have to do it after every haircut. I probably do it every 2 to 3 months. I'm sure barbers will comment on this video and say to do it more often, but my blades have been running very smoothly for years without any issues. So that's about it. Very easy to take care of. These guys have received almost 5-star reviews, hundreds of reviews on the website. So they've proven to be really well crafted. And if anything is ever wrong with any of these, we of course cover shipping right away, and we try to have as great customer service as we can. We'll replace any broken parts. It's a 1-year limited warranty based on any manufacturer's defects. If you are not satisfied, we return without any problems as long as the item hasn't been used. So great set of clippers. If you have any questions on how to take care of them or how to take care of clippers generally, I'd be happy to answer. Just leave your comments below. Thank you, and I'll see you at the next video.